In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install VLC Media Player on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. VLC is a free and open source software that works across different platforms. You can use it to play almost any type of video or audio file. It also supports converting video files into different formats. Let's begin the process. Start by opening your favorite web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you like to use. Now in the search bar, type VLC Media Player and press Enter. You will see a list of results. The one you are looking for should be at the top and will come from a website called videoland.org. This is the official website for VLC Media Player. Click on that link. Once the website opens, look for a button that says Download VLC. You will see a small arrow next to that button. If you click that arrow, you can select the version that is suitable for your system. For most people using Windows 11, the Windows 64-bit version is the correct one. Go ahead and click on that. Your browser will now begin downloading a file called vlc.x. This is the setup file for installing VLC on your computer. Wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the file has downloaded, click on it to begin the installation process. If a pop-up appears asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click on Yes. Now, the VLC Media Player setup window will appear. First, it will ask you to select a language for the installation. You can leave it as the default, which is usually English, or choose a different one if you prefer. Then click OK. Next, you will see a welcome screen for the setup. Click on the next button. The following screen will ask you which components to install. These are optional features of VLC. You don't need to change anything here. Just leave everything as it is and click Next again. Now it will ask where you want to install VLC Media Player. The default location is usually fine for most users, so there is no need to change it. Just click on the Install button to begin the installation. The setup will now start installing VLC Media Player on your computer. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you will see a message saying that the installation is finished. Make sure the checkbox that says Run VLC Media Player is checked. Then click on the Finish button. VLC Media Player will now open for the first time. When it starts, you might see a message about its privacy and network access policy. This is just informing you how VLC handles data and updates. Click on the Continue button. Now, VLC is ready to use. Once you select the file, VLC will start playing it right away, and that's it. You've now successfully downloaded and installed VLC Media Player on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching.